There everyone, welcome and welcome back to iTech Explore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a daily lesson plan in ChatGPT. So if you're a teacher or an aspiring teacher watching out there, stay tuned until the end of this video. So first thing we need to do, we have to search for ChatGPT in Google. Sometimes this is not the first thing that show up right here. So you may find this chatgpt.com, or else you can also type in here chatgpt.com and hit enter. So it will open up like this, but if you're not signed in yet, then you may need to sign in using your Google account. Since I already signed it up, then it will show up like this. But what you need to do is just ask for anything that you need. So we're talking about our daily lesson plan. So type in daily lesson plan here. There are different kinds of daily lesson plan or lesson plan. So we have to be very specific with that. For example, for A's lesson plan, and you have to type your topic. Especially for teacher applicants, as I have heard that you are asked for A's lesson plan, or for science teachers, you're asked for 7A's lesson plan. So you just have to write it there. Okay, so it gives you the 4A's lesson plan here. So the basic information, the objectives, next to that is the content, learning resources, procedures. So here's what makes it for A's. So we have activities, analysis, abstraction, and application. So next to that is the other part, which is assessment and assignment. With ChatGPT, you just need to examine the information that it gives you, because sometimes, since it's just an AI, will not give you a perfect result. All right. So if you're satisfied with the information or the lesson plan that it gives you, then you can just highlight and press Control C and then open a document and then Control V. So that's pasting it. All right. So there are something that is not needed here. So just delete it. So you can modify a little. If you want to delete these lines here, you can really delete that. Okay, so this is now ready for printing and ready for your lesson. So another thing that we should consider also is, for example, if it is your first time to open ChatGPT, it might not be familiar with the type of lesson plan that you're asking for. So you have to be like very specific with the parts or the components of the lesson plan that you're asking. So aside from the topic, you can also type in the competency. So for example, DLL type lesson plan, or the competency solve problems involving percentage decrease. So it is also possible to ask for a lesson plan with the given competency. Sometimes you can also encounter that the objectives that it will give you does not include the 3 domains. You can also specify that please include the 3 domains in the objectives. So it will also give you like that. I think that's it. That's how easy we can generate daily lesson plan with ChatGPT. And I hope it helps. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.